Today on Crypto Line, we'll be discussing some big news for Dogecoin. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Some days ago, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks basketball team, Mark Cuban, announced some rewards for people who use Dogecoin to pay for their merchandise as a way of showing his continued support for the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. At the time of its adoption, the team was the first among its peers to start accepting payments in Dogecoin for both tickets and merchandise. The owner of the team now wants to improve the number of sales with Doge by adding rewards to the program. The incentive program gives cash back to fans for purchases made with Dogecoin on the online merchandise shop for the team. The program is scheduled to run from August 13th to September 24th. Fans and customers can earn a $25 gift card when they use Dogecoin to pay a minimum of $150 in a single transaction. The gift card that's won will be mailed to the buyer in a couple of days, and it can be used to purchase stuff at the Mavericks online store. They can buy merchandise at the store and tickets for suites and seats at any Mavericks home game. Shortly after announcing the program, Cuban tweeted that the team had completed over 20,000 transactions in Dogecoin to date. Responding to the news, a Dogecoin creator tweeted, "If you want to support one of the first big-name vendors to evangelize Doge for purchases, as Mark Cuban says, it's ready for you." Mark Cuban, a co-host on Shark Tank, has been a strong supporter of cryptocurrency on social media for some time. Dogecoin is a favorite topic that's discussed by Cuban on Twitter, and he's often been accused of affecting the market with his posts. This has made the announcement by Cuban very confusing to many investors. While he was talking about the sales of merchandise with Dogecoin, Cuban said that his investment in the meme coin is less than $500. He also noted that the Mavericks team had sold almost $15,000 in merchandise through Doge sales. His announcement came out when Cuban was asked if he owned more Dogecoin than Bitcoin. He responded by saying, "The Mavs have what we sold in merch. I personally own $494 worth of Doge." One of the latest personalities to approve the adoption of blockchain technology is the popular tennis player Naomi Osaka. The present American champion noted in a recent interview that she was mostly interested in Dogecoin amongst others. She said that she had spoken with her agent about the future of cryptocurrencies and their ability to explode in the future. The rise in the popularity of Dogecoin was supported by the celebrity billionaire Elon Musk and has risen to an all-time high of about 73 cents. Besides being backed by important personalities, Naomi is also likely drawn to the digital asset because of the Japanese origin of the Shiba Inu, which is the coin's logo. The price of Dogecoin went up by over 5% on Sunday, September 5th, with a 1% gain on the day before. Dogecoin closed the week with an increase of almost 12% to 31.4 cents. The day started with Dogecoin falling to an early morning low of 29.6 cents before making a strong move. After going above the first major support level at 29.2 cents, Dogecoin went up to a late intraday high of 31.6 cents. Dogecoin broke through the 23.6% Fibonacci area of 30.1 cents and the first major resistance level at 30.7 cents. After going up against the other major resistance level at 31.6 cents, Dogecoin later proceeded to end the day at around 31.4 cents. At the time of recording, Dogecoin was trading at around 30.8 cents. A mixed start made the coin fall to an early morning low of 30 cents before rising to a high of 31.9 cents. For the coming days, Dogecoin will need strong support from the wider crypto market for it to break through to the 32-cent levels. In the advent of a breakout, Dogecoin will test the resistance at 33 cents before any pullback. The second major resistance level lies at 32.8 cents. However, for Dogecoin to avoid an extended sell-off, it needs to avoid the 29 cents level as the second major support level is at 28.9 cents. As Dogecoin continues to hover around the 30 cents levels at the start of the month following a 35% increase from last month, the Dogecoin team has released a recent update. Fundamentals could be responsible for driving the price of Dogecoin more than usual. The Twitter account of the Dogecoin developers recently announced a new release for all users, especially diggers. Billy Marcus, a co-founder of Dogecoin, has said that it's very useful for diggers to download the update because they're to put the transactions into blocks that they mine. Although it's a minor upgrade, it introduces various improvements to the cryptocurrency. One of the enhancements that were made is facilitating lower transaction fees, which will make it more attractive to users. Elon Musk, who is working with the developers of Dogecoin to support transaction efficiency, applauded the new progress. At the moment, the Dogecoin community is looking forward to Twitter to support Dogecoin payments. There are reports that Twitter is in the process of including Bitcoin payments in its tip jar feature. This has the possibility of putting the largest cryptocurrency further into the mainstream. Dogecoin proponents are waiting on Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey to also have their favorite meme coin included. There is, however, no comment from Dorsey. Some days ago, the famous actress Reese Witherspoon announced on Twitter that she had just bought her first Ethereum tokens. Her tweet attracted a lot of likes and comments, mostly from within the crypto community, welcoming her to the party and asking if she owns any Bitcoin. According to David Kirsch, an associate professor at the University of Maryland School of Business, cryptocurrencies are pieces of software that are controlled or defined by algorithms. The algorithms function to establish value for the holder of the code. With fiat currencies, the government establishes a material and then announces that the substance has value because they say so. However, cryptocurrencies are a different way to establish an item of value that can be electronically exchanged. The value accumulates because people are confident that they'll be able to use the price of software to exchange it for something of value. It's kind of a standardized way to exchange the piece of code, which is exclusive, difficult to reproduce, and highly secure, Kirsch continues. The Dogecoin website specifically describes it as an open-source, peer-to-peer digital currency. Like other cryptocurrencies, the token is supported by an online community of people who can exchange it for stuff in the online world. Although a lot of physical stores are yet to support the use of Dogecoin as a method of payment, about 1,300 merchants have started accepting the currency. Back in March, we mentioned the Dallas Mavericks started to accept Dogecoin payment for tickets and merchandise, and Dogecoin was recently used to pay for a plot of land in Rhode Island. It's also noteworthy that Geometric Energy Corporation has started to pay Elon Musk's rocket company SpaceX in Dogecoin to launch a satellite to the moon. As many Dogecoin holders continue to use the coin to pay for goods and services, a wider community of investors is beginning to see it as a way to build wealth. This serves to fulfill its main purpose as a tool of speculation. Kirsch also said, as a currency of exchange, many cryptocurrencies are relatively limited, and some people have seen them as a store of value, a sort of investment vehicle to hold value. The nature of cryptocurrencies as a volatile asset, however, makes them a risky store of value. A peculiar shortcoming to the Dogecoin network that does not affect other cryptocurrencies is that there's no cap on the total circulating supply of Dogecoin. Bitcoin, however, has a maximum supply of 21 million units, and about 19 million tokens already exist. An infinite supply of Dogecoin means that each coin can lose its value as the total number of coins increases. So far, Dogecoin appears to be a good investment, as it has the support of celebrities and billionaires such as Elon Musk. Dogecoin has also become the label of rebel investors that's led by the Wall Street Bets subreddit group. The peculiar inflationary nature of Dogecoin makes it perfect for everyday transactions. This can help it to ensure its adoption in the long term as an everyday currency. It is, however, always advisable to be rational while investing in the crypto market. High leverage trading is to be used with caution because a little correction in the price of Dogecoin can knock a trader out. In this case, a little correction can mean a 50% correction, which might be negligible after a 12,000% increase in price. The overall general momentum of Dogecoin remains on the upside. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood car